Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the YouTube AI Summariser on your Samsung Galaxy device. So while watching YouTube, you can basically tap the AI icon or paste the link into Google Assistant. AI will basically summarize the entire video, even translating it in another language. So let me show you how to do this. So here as an example, I'm watching one of my videos and I want to go ahead and extract all the key information from this video. So how can I do that? I can go ahead and tap on share, and then I can go ahead and tap on copy link. Now I can go ahead and open up the Google Gemini app, and then I can go ahead and paste the link, and I can tap on ask about the video. So as you can see, Google Gemini will basically go to that video and will extract all the key information out of it. So just give it a few minutes. So as you can see, it's extracting all the key information out of that video. So this is great as you don't need to watch that video. You can basically look at the quick summary of it. So it understands long and foreign language video fast. It's great for students, professionals, or anyone short on time. So there you go, guys. That is how to use the YouTube AI Summariser on your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.